Hello my lovely foodie members, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. Today I'm sharing with you this simple egg sauce recipe which I enjoyed alongside with this plain rice. So join me as I share this amazing and inspiring egg sauce recipe with you all. If you haven't subscribed, kindly do subscribe to my channel and be part of this beautiful family. Let's get started. To begin with this egg sauce, I'll begin by heating my pan. To that, I'll add in my cooking oil. You can use any cooking oil of your choice. Next, I'll go in with my grated garlic and ginger paste. I'll stir fry for about 1 to 2 minutes and it will also release its flavors to the oil a little bit. Okay, so now let's fry this until it is nice and ready. After that, we will go ahead and add in our chopped onions. I'm using red onions here. Use any onion that you prefer. Okay, stir fry for about 1 to 2 minutes for the onions to loosen up a little bit. Whilst we're frying these onions, let me use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are too much. High five to everyone. Thank you for liking my video, sharing and commenting on my videos. I am very grateful, fam. And so the onions has released its flavors to the oil a little bit, so now I'll go in with this chopped fresh tomatoes. You can as well add in a little bit of tomato paste if you want, but today I'm just adding in this fresh tomatoes and it's going to do the magic for me today. Okay, I'll cover it and allow it to simmer down a little bit. Remember, tomatoes loosens up very easily when you are cooking it, so make sure to cook your tomatoes on low medium heat for it to cook very well. Okay, this is because I don't love to overcook my fresh tomatoes anytime I'm preparing egg sauce. Okay, so next I'll go in with my seasoning, which is the shrimp seasoning, some onga tomato stew seasoning powder and some curry powder, and I'll also go in with this powdered pepper. You can as well use the fresh one if you want. Okay, add in some salt to taste, and I'll go in with extra mackerel to give the stew extra taste. Okay, you can omit the mackerel if you don't want it. This is to my preference. Okay, stir everything together, cover it and allow the seasoning in it to also cook down a little bit. Whilst we're cooking our stew, I'll go ahead and crack in my eggs, and I will be using 6 eggs for this recipe. Use any amount that you want. Okay, and so after extra 5 more minutes, we are back to check on the sauce and it's doing all perfect. And at this point, as we all can see, the tomatoes has loosened up very well, indicating that it has really cooked down very well. Next, I'll be adding in my eggs, and I'm creating rooms for the eggs to really cook down very well. This is because I don't want the eggs to be sitting on the stew to make the cooking process a little bit longer for me. So I'll sprinkle a little bit of salt to make it more scrambled. Next, I will cover it and allow it to cook until it is nice and ready. After 5 more minutes of cooking this on low medium heat, the egg is looking all beautiful, but it hasn't been cooked yet, so I'll break the egg yolk a little bit, just the way you're seeing it on your screens, to also make the egg yolk cook very well. Okay, and since I'm a lover of onions and also I love a little bit of crunchiness in my stew, I'll go in with my chopped onions and also some scallions to make it more presentable and also appetizing as well. Okay, now after that, I'll cover it and allow it to cook until the onions loosens up a little bit. And after 2 more minutes, I open it and I'll give it a gentle stir, just the way you're seeing it on your screens, because I don't want the egg to be falling apart at all. So now after that, I'll cover it again for extra 2 to 3 more minutes. And of course, after 3 more minutes, the stew is looking all juicy and all ready right now. I know something is really running through your mind. Let me know in the comment section down below. Okay, what are you going to pair with this egg sauce recipe? So easy to put together, and you are going to love it with your family. Okay, so I enjoyed mine with this boiled rice. You can also enjoy with some plantain, ripe plantain, or unripe plantain, yam, just name it. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are a proud foodie member. Kindly subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you for watching.